Hello, everybody. I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Language with Sarah. Do you want to speak like a native Italian speaker? Then you will love this video. Stay tuned with me and don't skip the video. Today we will learn about all the opposites in Italian, okay? So let's begin. Our first phrase is big, grande, big. In Italian is grande. Small, piccolo, piccolo. Repeat after me if you want. These are small ones so you can remember them today, okay? If you want. Repeat after me. Big, grande, grande, small, piccolo, small, piccolo. If you like the video, then please click the like button and comment on this video. And I need a suggestion. If you all want me to make more videos on 10 phrases every day, then please comment below. Then I'll post more videos on 10 phrases every day. Okay? So, iniziamo. Our next phrase is tall, alto, tall, alto, short, basso, short, basso. Now let's move on to our next opposites. Next one is long, lungo. Long, lungo. Short, corto. Short, corto. Repeat after me if you want. Long in Italian is lungo. And short in Italian is corto. I'm again asking if you all want me to make more videos on 10 phrases every day, then please comment below. Then I'll make more videos on 10 phrases every day in 3 or 2 minutes, okay? Next one is old, vecchio. Old, vecchio. New, nuovo. New, nuovo. Next one is hot, caldo, hot, caldo, cold, freddo, cold, freddo. Hot in Italian is caldo and cold in Italian is freddo. If you want to repeat them, then pause the video and repeat them 4 times or 3 times. Next one is good. Buono. Good in Italian is buono. Bad, cattivo. Bad, cattivo. Good in Italian is buono and bad in Italian is cattivo. Buono, cattivo. Next one is hard. Duro, duro, hard, soft, morbido, morbido. Soft in Italian is morbido and hard in Italian is duro, duro, hard, morbido, soft. Next one is clear, chiaro, clear, chiaro, dark, scuro, dark, scuro. Clear in Italian is chiaro and dark in Italian is scuro. Scuro. Please, if you like the video and if you are a new viewer to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me every day for 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 2 minutes. Next one is aperto, open, aperto, open, closed, chiuso, closed, chiuso. Open in Italian is aperto, aperto, and closed in Italian is chiuso. Repeat after me. Aperto, open, chiuso, closed. If you like the video, then please click the like button and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.